Hey guys, this is EmoLexPhD here, and we're gonna be doing a Diet Pepsi challenge. It kind of tastes great. So let's get started. And by I mean chugging, I meant the whole bottle. Oh, that was a dumb question. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I think I just chugged down the whole bottle. Okay, every time I stop, there's like a... excuse me. Thing that when you, after you drink it, it's like... Oh, I cannot do it much longer. If this gets 100 views, we should do Mountain Dew. I feel so dizzy. My hands feel like I'm about to fart. Oh yeah, if this gets down in 5 minutes, which means a timer, and I'm recording, then we'll do a gaming. Oh. Okay. Okay. I feel real better. Like, I'm way better. Mountain Dew's way better than a Pepsi. I feel like I am about to burp so hard. Got all the way down. So okay. I feel so. I feel like I just see the 1950s in my mind. Okay. Okay. 3. Oh, it's 3 minutes. I gotta hurry. I've shivered. Okay. Oh, this is so much hard. Okay. Okay, I just fart. Okay. I think I'm better. Smells like ass in here. Smells like grass in here. 34 minutes. You gotta check this out. Whew! I did it! I completed the whole bottle. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, subscribe, leave a like, a comment. See you guys.